In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to access Fidelity GO. Fidelity GO is Fidelity's robo-advisor service designed to automatically manage a diversified portfolio for you. It handles ongoing portfolio management and automatic rebalancing behind the scenes so you can focus on your goals. There's no minimum to open an account, and you can start investing with as little as $10. If you hold more than $25,000, optional financial coaching is available too. To get started on the web, head to the Fidelity Go page. There you'll see a prompt to get started or an option to sign in with your existing Fidelity login. Choose the one that fits your situation. If you're already a Fidelity customer and you sign in, your eligible Fidelity Go accounts will appear right on your dashboard. That makes it easy to review balances, check performance, and confirm that your managed account is active without digging through extra menus. If you don't have a Fidelity Go account yet, select Get Started. You'll be guided through a short set of questions about your goals, time horizon, and risk tolerance. Answer these thoughtfully and honestly. Your responses shape how the robo-advisor builds and maintains your portfolio. Once you complete the questionnaire, open your Fidelity Go account online. The process is streamlined and typically takes just a few minutes. After the account is open, fund it to begin investing. Remember, while there's no minimum to open, you'll need at least $10 to put your money to work. Funding methods are presented during the workflow, and once funds arrive, Fidelity Go will automatically invest according to your selected strategy and keep your portfolio aligned through rebalancing. You can also access Fidelity Go on the go. Open the Fidelity mobile app and sign in to view your managed account alongside your other Fidelity accounts. It's a convenient way to check progress, add money, or review your allocation from your phone. On Fidelity.com, another path is to navigate to Accounts and Trade and then head to your managed account dashboard. There, you'll find your Fidelity Go account details consolidated in one place, including your portfolio mix and recent activity. A quick tip as you use the service: consider bookmarking the Fidelity Go page or the Managed Account dashboard for faster access next time. And take a moment to review the educational materials provided within the interface. They can clarify how automatic management and rebalancing work for your specific goals. That's it. Now you know exactly how to access Fidelity Go and what to expect once you're in.